Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome, dear students, to our science class. Today is Monday, 19th of October 2020. We are studying science. Okay, guys. First of all, page 159. 159. Did we write in page 159? Did we write, guys, in page 159? Yes, Jada.
Me, it say I write it up in the square, but not down.
Oh, so you didn't write the listen vocabulary. It's fine. We will look for the listen vocabulary, okay? Now, okay, what does the flower part of a dandelion make? This part of a flower. Oh, what does a flower make? It makes seeds. We know that from before that it make seeds. Can you write the word seeds, everyone? Please? Okay. The next page, you can find the first lesson vocabulary. The first lesson vocabulary is what? Who can tell me? Can you tell me, Ajuri?
It's seeds.
Yes, excellent. Always you can find the lesson vocabulary highlighted with yellow. So the first one here is seed. The first one here is seed. And I remember doing the math this together. So we are going to the next page. Okay? Thumbs up if you are okay. All right. Over here, the second word. Who can tell me what is the second word in our lesson vocabulary? Huh? Maryam. Maryam?
Yes.
First of all, we don't eat in the class. Second of all, we don't play, okay, with food. هذه نعمة ربنا, صح? This is a gift from God. We don't play with it. Thank you, Maryam. Now, can you tell me, where is the second word of our lesson vocabulary? What is it? It's highlighted with yellow.
Seeding.
Seedling. Excellent. Seedling. What else? Seedling. And what else? Huh? Who knows? Lujane. Hi, Lujane. Okay, can you tell me the second word? Seedling. And what else? Highlighted with yellow. What is this word? Can you try to read?
Yes.
Hi, Lulu. Jer? Where are you, Lulu? Excellent, good job, germinate. Okay, now what does germinate mean? Who knows? If you know, raise your hand. If you know, raise your hand. Why, Rima, you are sad? Do you know what does germinate means? Okay, tell me.
How?
Germinate means?
To start growing.
Excellent, excellent, good job. To start to grow. And seedling mean a young plant. Which plant part grows from the seed first? Hi, Al Batul.
Second one.
Hi, Batul. Which plant part grow from the seed first?
The plant is big. The first is gonna be the seed, then the flower, then the flower, then the big flower.
Oh, come first from the seed. What comes first from the seed? It grow down. What will grow down?
Roots. Roots.
Fruits will grow down?
What is called again?
See, the roots, not the fruits. The roots will grow down. It's the first part of the
Yes, I
plant.
said roots.
Really?
Yes, I said roots.
Okay, I'm
Yeah.
sorry then. I heard mistake. Okay, sorry, I heard you wrong. I'm really sorry. Can you forgive me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Okay, let's see what do we have next. Okay. What do apple blossoms make? What do you think apple blossom will make? Huh? What do apple blossoms make? Can you tell me, Lian? Lian.
Yes, teacher.
What do apple blossoms make?
Blossom.
Flowers. What do apple flowers make?
Oh, they do no, they do seeds, right?
Excellent. They do seeds. And what else? How they produce seeds?
From from the I mean
From the fruit.
yeah.
It's an apple flower. If it's an apple flower, definitely it first will give you a flower. Is that right?
Teacher,
Yes, my dear.
my mom does not me and my mom, no. My mom doesn't like the green apple and I like the green apple. And she likes the red apple and I don't like the red apple.
I love green apple too, but I also like a red apple, but I prefer the green one.
I wish I could eat from the. I wish I could eat from the yellow apple. There's green and red and apple, and a yellow one.
Yeah, yellow apple similar to the red ones, so I preferred the
Similar
green.
to the green one. It's kind of.
Have you ever tasted?
Yeah, one time.
Really? And it's similar to the green?
It was. Yeah, it was like. It was before 3 days we ate one.
Oh, okay. بالعافية. Okay, guys, let's see what do we have next. Next. All right. So now we have two questions over here. First one, where do pine seeds form? Where do you think pine seeds form? Who knows? Let me see. Who knows? Rama, can you try, ya Rama? Look at the pine cones. These are the pine cones. Where do seeds forms? Yes, Rama, I can hear you now. Does a seed form outside or inside?
Me?
Yes.
My name is Lamar, not
Sorry. Okay, I'm very sorry. Lamar. I meant Lamar. My mistake. It's my bad. Now, pine cones, where do they make seeds? Do they make seeds inside or outside? Okay, Lamar, again.
inside.
Excellent. Inside the cone. Good job, Lamar. Good job. Okay, what happens after an adult pine tree grow cones and make seeds? Who knows? We are taking the plant life cycle. So what is going to happen if it's an adult pine tree? It will make seed. What will happen again? Hi, Batul.
It's gonna die, then it's gonna be again big. It's
Excellent.
gonna flash again.
Thank you. Life cycle is going to happen again. So these are the answers. You can write these. If you finish writing, can we watch a video? Okay, good. If you finish writing, just give me your thumbs, show me your thumbs up. Good job. I can see a lot of hands. Good job. Yes, Batul.
I want to say to you, I've done.
Okay, nice. Good job. Yes, Dania.
I didn't finish writing the first page.
Really?
Yeah.
The first page, you mean this one?
Yeah, I didn't finish writing it.
Okay, you can write it now.
Thank you.
Welcome. Okay.
Oh, hey guys, Squeaks and I are checking out our plants and they look great. It's almost hard to believe that these beautiful flowers and plants came from the teeny tiny seeds we put in the pots just a few weeks ago. You might be familiar with the little packets of seeds that you use to grow flowers or vegetables in your garden, or maybe the sunflower seeds that you find in your snack mix. But did you know that popcorn kernels, beans, peas, acorns, and rice are also seeds? Well, one of our friends, 5-year-old Dimitri, wrote in to ask us, how does a seed grow into a plant? Thanks for asking, Dimitri. First of all, seeds come in lots of different shapes and sizes, but they're all made of 3 parts. An outer shell called the seed coat, a tiny baby plant that's inside the seed called the embryo, and some plant food for the embryo called endosperm. The seed coat has an important job. It covers the entire seed, protecting the little baby plant inside and keeping it from drying out. The seed coat also has super sensing powers. It has special chemicals in it that can tell when the seed is in the right place to start growing. For example, the sunflower seeds and the pumpkin seeds in your trail mix sense that it's not safe to grow. After all, seeds can't grow when they're surrounded by raisins and chocolate chips. So while the seeds are in a bag or in your hands, it's like they're asleep. The seeds are still alive, but they're dormant or inactive. Some seeds can stay like this for hundreds or even thousands of years. Great question, Squeaks. To get started, every seed needs water, the right temperature, and the right amount of light. Once the seed has these 3 things, like when it's planted in some nice wet soil, the embryo, or baby plant, gets the signal to start growing. For plants, this growing process is called germination. First, the seed coat lets some water through to the embryo, but the embryo needs more than just water if it's going to grow. Good thing there's a whole bunch of plant food right there inside the seed. Until the plant can make its own food from sunlight, which it will need leaves to do, it relies on the endosperm for energy. It's like the little baby plant has its own backpack of snacks. So the embryo keeps growing and taking in more water until the seed coat cracks open and the embryo kicks out a kind of a foot. But not at all like my foot. The first part of the plant to come out of the seed is the root. The root always grows downward, no matter what way the seed is planted. A seed can actually tell which way is up and which way is down. So the root pushes down deeper and deeper into the soil, looking for more water and minerals to feed the baby plant. Once the plant is all grown up, those deep roots will have another job. They'll help keep the plant from falling over or blowing away in the wind. But soon after the first baby root finds its way into the dirt, another part of the seed pops out, this time in the opposite direction. A shoot, which has the stem of the plant and a few leaves, pushes its way up towards the sunlight. Once the shoot breaks through the soil to the open air above, we say that it's sprouted. Now the plant doesn't need the endosperm anymore because it can make its own food from sunlight. With enough water and sunlight and the right temperature, the young plant will continue to grow, getting bigger and growing more leaves until it's an adult plant and it can produce seeds of its own. Next time you're about to chow down on a handful of sunflower seeds, just think, it's like you've got a whole field of flowers right in your hand. Thanks to our friend Dimitri for asking.
Okay. That was the video. Now I'm gonna stop pre-record because we already finished and take your questions. Okay, guys? Let's stop.